A new attraction, a must-see place to visit inside Camp Crame is the newly constructed Pnp Museum, where visitors are encouraged to take advantage of the opportunity to learn about the history and culture of police service in the country. This Pnp Museum is a repository of the rich history and traditions of law enforcement in the country. The museum use of cutting-edge technology such as holographic displays allows visitors to interact with the exhibits in a way that was not possible before. The museum also aims to encourage the coming generation of police officers to maintain and carry in the tradition of excellence that the PNP has built over the years. The museum has a preeminent accomplishment in collecting, curating, and ultimately preserving distinctive relics and artifacts from the past that form part of what and where the PNP is now.